Hello, welcome. Let us discuss about classification of AI. AI systems can be classified in different ways, but here we will look at two major classification methods. One is capability based classification. It means you classify the system based on the capacity, what it is able to do. In capacity based classifications, we can classify in three different ways. One is ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. It refers to the system designed for a specific task with limited scope, such as image recognition systems, text generation, image generation, self-driving cars, right? These are AI with specific capabilities. These are AI systems which are highly specialized but lack the general reasoning and knowledge transfer across the domain. They work within the certain specified boundary. Another type of AI system is called artificial general intelligence. This is a human-like capability. This artificial general intelligence is still in a theoretical stage. There is no such system available as of now. Artificial general intelligence refers to human-like cognitive abilities such as knowledge across different domains and awareness of the situation. This AGI is still in a theoretical stage. There is no such AI systems available as of now. Another type of capability based artificial intelligence is called artificial super intelligence, which is again a theoretical concept. There is no such AI systems available. This ASI refers to a hypothetical future stage where AI can surpass the human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, emotional intelligence, etc. So, this is still a concept. There is no such system available. We can also classify the AI in another way, that is using model behavior. Here, there are mainly two types of AI systems. One is generative AI. It means which can generate something like a text or an image or an audio or a video, right? Such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, etc. are generative AI. And another type is discriminative. It means it can differentiate between two different things. Discriminative AI systems include such as image recognition systems, spam email detection, object detection, medical diagnosis systems, etc. As we progress in the course, we will discuss more details about these AI systems. Thank you for watching.